16 most competitive province in the Philippines, ang lalawigan ng South Cotabato. Naging national level awardee tayo ng ARTA RCS Silver Award. Naging finalist tayo ng most business-friendly local government unit province level. At consistent tayo, naging Seal of Good Local Governance awardee at Seal of Good Financial Housekeeping. Sustainable Development Goal Achievement Champion. At hindi lang yan, sa pangkalusugan na sektor, naging Red Orchid Hall of Fame Award tayo sa Pulumulok Municipal Hospital. Naging multiple Department of Health Awards ang meron ng ating IPHO, Local Health Systems, Maturity, Malaria-Free, Sustainability, Blood Donation, Pulang Laso Excellence, Healthy Communities, Epidemiology, and FHSIS Reporting. At ang ating Provincial Assessor's Office, naging top performer and real property assessment. At dahil dyan, naging top performer rin in revenue collection, efficiency, and fiscal performance ang ating provincial